Hello everyone! Today, I'll be showing you how to create a passport-sized photo using AI, and the best part, it's completely free! Let's get started! First, let's open up Chrome. Next, let's head over to Cutout Pro by searching into the search bar. Scroll down until you find the Passport Photo Maker. Now, click on Passport Photo Maker. Here, you can upload any image you'd like to use for your passport photo. Choose any image that you want to use. Next, let's choose the size of the photo. I'll go with this one. Now, let's choose the background color. I'll go with this one. If you want to change outfits, you can do that here. I'll choose this outfit. Let's give it a minute to process. And there you have it. Your passport photo is ready. Simply click on Download to save it to your device. And that's how easy it is to create a passport image using AI for free. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and happy passport photo making!